BG and welcome back to another video of Clash Royale. And in today's video I have a new deck. So you guys know that 3 days ago the balance changes are here, and I just realized that the balance updates cards are really good. It can make a deck. So I made a deck with the balance change update cards. I took all of the cards that are balance changes, but I didn't take one elixir skeletons because this wasn't working for me, and the only thing I need is the P.E.K.K.A to reach the tower, and the Inferno Tower is killing it. So I only switched that one unit skeletons for the zap. So I'm not gonna waste any time. Let's just jump into some battles. Guys, the first replay I'm gonna show you is against a Royal Giant Furnace deck. This deck is really annoying to a lot of you guys. So I want to show you this. He dropped a mosquito at the back, and I want to poison that to get some tower damage. And look at the poison is really powerful now. Then I drop Witch at the right side, and he's going to run Archers at the back. The mosquito didn't get one shot, so I wasted everything. We a little bit elixir over there. The furnace isn't going to do anything because this is level 7 and I'm level 10. So then he dropped a Royal Giant with the P.E.K.K.A to save my Witch and to tank for the Archers and Fires and to kill the Royal Giant. P.E.K.K.A is really bad. I don't know why I love Skeleton Army, but it wasn't that bad. Then the Mega Minion kills the P.E.K.K.A. Now the only thing, the Skeletons is going to also kill the Furnace. Now I only have the Witch going on, which going to do a little bit damage, but we have more damage on the right side. I have to draw the Dark Prince on the Musketeer, and I have very small elixir over there. We know it's 0 elixir. I don't know why did he drop a Furnace on that time. The Furnace attack is going to get 2 shots off, no, 1 shot off, and the poison is going to finish that Furnace, and we'll get a lot of tower damage. So look guys, the poison do a lot of damage. Now I don't have a P.E.K.K.A. I drop my Witch, and then I'm trying to use my P.E.K.K.A because the Archers will kill my Witch, and I don't want to drop the P.E.K.K.A. The P.E.K.K.A is really good at defense, guys, because it just takes 1 second to drop. And right now I have a big push going on with 5 on it, and he's preparing for the Skeleton Army, but he's going to zap that. Now he's trying to drop the Skeleton Army, but the P.E.K.K.A is going to get 3 shots off, and that's a lot. I'm going to drop the Executioner at the back, and that Mega Minion is going to also take care for 5 spirits over there. Mega Minion is going to get 1 shot on my items, maybe dragon before that. Then I drop a poison again, and look at this again. The poison is going to do damage. Poison has a very big radius. The Executioner is going to take care for that. What? Executioner and the poison. P.E.K.K.A and the Dark Prince is going to just smash that Royal Giant with a lot of health, and Royal Giant is really annoying. Now I just need to poison it back again. I think I zapped that, yes, before extra damage, and I poison it, and that's going to give me the tower. I drop my Skeleton Army and the Dark Prince over there. 5 seconds was left. The Royal Giant died. He just fireballed, and he couldn't reach in time, and I got the win over there. So that was the first replay for this deck. So guys, the second replay I'm going to show you is against a Golem Elite Barbarian deck. Like, it's kind of like Golem Balloon deck, but he didn't use Balloon. A lot of you guys are, I'm sure, is going to have some problem with this kind of deck. I don't have a poison in my hand, so the elixir pump is going to give him a very big elixir advantage. I just hate dealing with columns. Columns, that damage is a lot. You can never ignore a column. I have a Witch and a Dark Prince, and I'm ready to go. Zamkin is going to fireball that, and that's really good. The Dark Prince charge attack got all hits off. I didn't get any hits off, and he has 1 elixir advantage and also a pump. He's going to drop another pump, and I'm going to poison that right now. Yes, right now. he's gonna drop a hump and I'm gonna poison that. He has a very big elixir advantage, so I was really scared. Golem and Elite Barbarians are really awesome. And look at that, we can just almost kill that elixir collector. So I did P.E.K.K.A at the back because I don't want that golem to do a lot of damage. Now he's gonna drop archers at the back, and the main thing is barbarians and archers levels are too low. Only his elite barbarians are level 9 maybe? Yes. And the barbarians are level 7 and the archers are really low. Now I'm gonna drop a skeleton army because I don't wanna deal with that. That's the golem get them is still there. The skeleton army and the P.E.K.K.A. Now there's a P.E.K.K.A going on, but this deck you need to just spam and you need to just make him spend more elixir. Now look at this. Now I have an elixir advantage and the execution is going on, but the execution is not going to get more shots off. I'm going to drop witch at the back. None of us did a lot of damage in our towers and we are almost at double. We are in double elixir. So I'm going to drop the P.E.K.K.A at the front of the witch, in the front of the bridge. Then I'm going to drop baby dragon. He's going to drop barbarians to pull, but that was full waste. I'm going to poison that over there, fully poison. Now the so that archers pull that P.E.K.K.A and the P.E.K.K.A is going to get a shot. No, not a shot. The P.E.K.K.A is almost going to get. Look at this. I'm just spamming my troops. Oops. So he can get a lot of damage. Skeletons did a lot of damage. Dark Prince, Charlie Tag did a lot of damage. Then I again drop. He's really crushed, and I got the tower. But he's real because he needs a lot of elixir to push, and I'm spamming so he cannot build any push. And then I got the P.E.K.K.A in the front, so let's defend. And that was another good game. So that was the second replay. guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like on the video and don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to copy this deck, here is the deck I have made. This is the balance change update deck. Until next time, see you soon. Goodbye.